Hi everyone. Today we are starting grade 7 maths lessons. Final exam questions. We are going to answer with you final exam questions. First of all, let's see our topics, what we are going to learn. Working with whole numbers for today. And in this video and other video, with next lesson, we are going to carry on in this topic. You will learn more about whole numbers. You will learn about different ways to express whole numbers as sums, and products. What else we have? What else we are learning, people? You will learn about different ways of doing calculations. So with numbers, with thousands, 100, 500, 500,000, 700,000. So with those numbers, we are going to learn calculations and different ways of recording. So after these videos, after these lessons, this maths will be easy for you people. You will see all types of questions. So it is our first lesson, and then we'll carry on. If you like these kind of videos, we are going to carry on with you. So let's continue with our questions. First of all, let's remind you, don't use a calculator for this worksheet. And then people, please remember, on link, you can get our questions. Please get questions first, and then we can explain all answers with you. You can correct your answers, but please try first. All right. Always, please try first. So it is our first video, and then this video we're gonna carry on. So what's our steps? First of all, you are just getting questions from our link, video link. You can get it, and then you are trying and you are writing down your answers, everything, and then you are correcting your answers with me. All right, that's our plan. So please just use our steps, and then you can learn. If you want to learn maths, you should try. All right, let's continue. So we are gonna work with numbers. Question 1. Write each of the following sums as a single number. Sums means just adding numbers, people. The word sum is used to indicate two or more numbers that have to be added. Adding and then getting total number. Sum as single number. Sums as single number we are trying. Let's see what they ask. First question. So as you see what we have now, 3,000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 3. So this is our question. We are adding, and then we are trying to write only one number. By adding these all numbers, you can use different options, people. First of all, just know this first one is units. Okay, as you see, it's a single one. And then tens. How many tens we have here? 6 tens and 3 units. And then 2 hundreds and 3 thousands. So you can just use that. So first option, people, you can use our first option, 3,000, you can write first. And then you're just using this one. Start from here. What we have, how many zero we have? As you see, we have 2 zeros and 2. Just start from units. It is units, and then tens and hundreds and thousands. And what we have, next one is 60. Writing 0 first, and then you are writing 6 here. And what else we have? 3 we have. After that, you can just add them all. So all units first. What we have? Just 3 first. And then you are adding 6, all tens we are adding, and hundreds we have 2 only, writing 2, and for 1,000 we have 3. This is our first option to calculate. Answer is 3,263. Okay, you can use this option. Just some important points, people. Just if you're writing biggest number first, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, whatever you have, you are writing that number first. And then the next one, start from units. All right, because sometimes or hundreds, sometimes only tens can come. So start from units and tens and then hundreds. Just like that, you are writing them all. Second option, directly you can use this one. So what we have for units, 3, 0, 0, 0. You are adding all units first. Same thing, but not writing like this exactly, just using same option straight. You are calculating 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3, making 3, right? So it is first one. Maybe we can just write here again. So what you are getting, 3. And then next one, adding all tens. What we have, 60. We don't have tens here, so we don't have to come. So 6 plus 0 plus 0. What we are getting, 6. Next one, hundreds. So as you see, there is no hundreds here. There is no hundreds here. Only this one here, we have 2 and 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. And next one, thousands. There's no thousands here, no thousand, no thousand, only thousand is here. We are writing 3,000. Which one is easy for you? You can use that option, people, to add them all. As you see, first one, I like first one, even second one is fine. So you just adding units first, and then tens and hundreds and thousands. If you have more, of course, you are going to carry on and you are going to add. So this is our first answer, people. Without using calculator, of course. Even if you use calculator, you should get same answer. You can just check your answers. Please try first. All right. If you didn't answer these all questions, please go to PDF format on our link. You can find it. Please get it first, try first, and then you can check answers. Okay, let's continue with next question. Let's see, it's another easy question, people, but what we have now, we have units and hundreds. As you see, there is no 10, there is no tens, nothing. And then going to 5,000. So I don't know which option you like, but I want to answer with two options. It is much better for you. You can see and you can use any option. So we have 5,000 and 200, how we are writing, starting from units, and 10 and 100. And then for last one, we have only units. So you are writing units and then done. So you are adding them 0 plus 0 plus 4. What are we getting? 4. And it's easy one because you are not getting tens when you add all units. The easy one. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. And 5 only coming here. It is our answer, people. You can use this option or second option, what we said, using units first. All units, 4, 0, 0. 0 plus 4, getting 4, but you must just start from this side, because if you start just here, so you cannot carry on from right to left. You must carry on, all right. Units first. And then tens first. Next one, we have 0 here and 0 here and nothing this side. So you can write 0 for tens. And then hundreds. For hundreds, we have 2 here and 0 this side. You are adding 2 plus 0, getting 2. Next one, 5 for thousands. Answer is 5,204. When you read like this, 5,204. All right, this is our answer, people. I hope everything is fine. I hope you are getting it. Let's continue with next question. Adding numbers, people. Adding big numbers, units, tens, thousands, 10,000s. Let's see what questions, what else we have. Question 1.3 now. Let's see what we have. Okay, units 2. For first one, units we have 2. And then 200. As you see, there's no tens. And 200s, 9,000s. And what else we have? 50,000s. So it means 5 10,000s. 5 10,000. 5 times 10,000, making 50,000. 5 10,000s we have. And what else we have? Let's continue. 50,000. Okay, let what they ask, 9,202. All right, let's use our option 1. First option, let's write all numbers down. What we have, 50,000. It is our first number. And the second number is 9,000. Sometimes they will not be in order, people, but you can carry on from biggest to smallest slowly, so it's much better for you. So we have 9,000. Okay, let's write how many zeros we have. 1, 2, 3 zeros and 9. What is next? We have 200. We are writing 2 zeros first and then writing 2 and unit 2. Done. So we are adding them all. Let's see what we are getting. 0 0 0 0 getting 2, and then all 0 writing 0, and 0 0 2 one more time writing 200, and then 0 plus 9 making 9, and 5 just coming down. Answer is 59,202. This is our answer with first option we calculated. Second option is coming now. What we are doing, people, first of all units we are adding. 2 plus 0 plus 0 0 making 2, and then tens. For nothing, there's no 10 here, just leave it. And then we have 10 for 10, 0 0 0. All of them 0, we are writing 0. And then for hundreds, we have 2, 0 and 0. When you add all, you are getting 2. And for thousands, we have 9 and 0. Answer is 9. And for 10,000s, what we have, only 5 10,000. Answer is 59,202. I hope everything is fine. Easy to add, easy to calculate without using your calculator. All right, let's continue. Next question. Let's see what they ask. Yeah, getting bigger. So numbers getting bigger. So, but same steps we are using, people. As you will see, you're gonna see it is easy. First of all, what are we doing? Writing all numbers down. First of all, what we have, let's see. Units, 2. And then there's no tens, but hundreds. We have 9 hundreds and 3 thousands, 8 10,000s. Maybe you can just, we can show like this, 8 times 10,000. Okay, this one is giving you 80,000. And then we have 700,000. 7 times 100,000. So we are using this answer. So these options, people. Okay, let's continue. Now 700,000 first. 700,000, biggest number we are writing first. And then we have 80,000. What we said, start from unit. Otherwise, you're going to do a mistake if you start here 8. So it's going to be wrong. It's going to be a problem for you. But please start from unit. All right, start with unit. So units, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000. So we are writing how many zeros? 4 zeros. Just we are writing 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8. Because of that, we are not starting 8 here, people. If you do that, it's going to be wrong. So next one, start from units. We have 0, 3 zeros and 3. 1, 2, 3, and 3. And then 900. 2 zeros and then 9 we are writing. And there is no tens, but only units 2 we have, writing unit 2. Okay, we wrote all numbers down, and then now we can add them all. All 0, and we have 2, writing 2. All of them 0 now for tens, the writing 0. All 0 except 9, we have 900, and then we have 3,000, and we have 80,000, 10,000 we can say, and 700,000. This is our answer, people. 783,902. Other option we are using people now, but we said using all units first. Just get all units as you see 0, 0, 0, 0, and 2. So you are writing 2 first. Next one, all tens, as you see 0, 0, 0. Even here 0, if you want, you can write 0, 0, 0, 0, but it's fine, we don't have to write. So answer is 0. And then 400s, 0, 0, 0, and 9. So we have 9 400s. And for thousands, 0, 0, 3, and nothing else. We can carry on, we can write 3. And then what else we have? For 10,000s now, 0, 8, and rest of them we have done already. So we are writing 8 here. And last one, 100,000, we have 7, and rest of them, as you see, we just done already. If you just draw line or just put dot here, so we'll help you. This is our second option, and getting same answer as you see, people. 783,902. This is our answer for these questions. Okay, let's continue with next question. Okay, now let's see. Write each of the following sum. Okay, single number. All right. This question, not with zeros, but they said 7 units. It means no 0, just 1. 7 times 1. You can write units means with 1, and 800s and 5,000s. First of all, you must just get our number with zeros, and then we can just add them all. So let's start with units. What we said, 7 times 1. Because units, all right, just 1. And then 800s. 8 times 100. And 5,000. 5 times 1,000. All right, so we are using this option first, and we can write equals 5,000 plus 800s plus 7 units means 7. So we can add, let's use our second option to calculate. Let's see what we said. You are just using units first. For units, what we have, 7, 0, and 0. When you add them all, you are getting 7 first. And then for tens, nothing we have done. For 10, we have 0, 0, writing 0. For hundreds, 8,000. Oh, we did mistake, sorry. What's the mistake now? You see that? So because we wrote 8,000 by mistake, we must just fix it. Okay, let's fix 800. We have to make it. Okay, so let's continue. First of all, for units, 7 plus 0 plus 0 done. For tens, we have 0, 0, and we have done already. We have 0 here. For hundreds, we have 8 and 0. When you add, you are getting 800. And then for thousands, as you see, only 5 left here. You can write 5,807. This is our answer, people. Other option, first option, what was it? How was it? You are writing biggest number first, and the next number you start with units first. 0, 0, 8. We are writing 0, and then next number, last number, start with unit. We have only 1 unit, 7 units. So 0 plus 0 plus 7. 7 you are writing, and then you are adding all 0, adding 0 plus 8, 8, and then 5,807. Okay, you can use any option. This is our question 1, adding numbers, sum of all numbers. We are just adding them all and then getting our answer we have done. Okay, let's continue with next question. Let's see 1.6 now. It is similar question, but we must just write our numbers first. Okay, what we have? 5 100,000. 100,000. What is 100,000, people? How many zeros we have? 5 times 100,000. So 100,000, okay? Plus 9 times 10,000. So you're writing 10,000. I hope everything is fine so far. And then 500. So you are writing 5 times 100 plus 7 times tens. As we see, there is no units here, on just ending with tens. So we can write our numbers now. 5 times 100,000. What we are getting? 500,000. Maybe some learners, they can say it is easy directly. You can write this step, is fine. 500,000 directly. You can write this number also fine. But just to understand, we are making one more step. Okay, 9 times 10,000, 90,000 plus 500 plus 70. So let's use our first option. It was our second option. Okay, second option now. So 10 units first. 0. Let's use different color now. We have 4 units. We have 0 and 0 and 0, 0. 4 units, we have 0. Let's write, this is our first one, units. And then tens, what we have? 7, 0, 0, 0. So we can write 7 for tens. And for hundreds, we have done already, these two already gone. So for hundreds, we have 5, 0, and 0. We can write 5 because 0 plus 5. And then, so these two numbers gone already. For thousands, we have 0 and 0. You are writing 0 here. And for 10,000, we have 9 and 0. You can write 9. And finally, all done, as you see, done, all of them gone. So we have 5 for 100,000. Answer is 5 now. 590,000 and 570. 590,000, 570. This is our answer, people. So we can use other option. What was it? How was it? We are writing biggest number first. Let's write biggest number, 500,000. And then next one is 90,000. We start from units and 4 zeros, as you see. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and 9. And then we have 2 zeros and 5. 1, 2, and 5. And then 1, 0, and 7. 1, 0, and 7. And when you add, you are going to get same number. So 0, 7, 5, 0, 9, and 5. This is our answer for question 1.6. As you see, we have two options. We are giving two options. Which one is easy for you, you can use. But please remember, if they said 100,000, you are writing 100,000 and then 5 times 100,000. And then 9 times 10,000. And then when you are adding them all, units first, or other option, writing units first. Please remember these points, and then you can get correct answer. Okay, let's continue with next question. Let's see what else we have. What is the sum of 5,047? Similar question, people, as you see. Now let's see. Let's write our numbers. They said sum of, so it means we are adding them. All right. So sometimes they can ask like this. Sometimes they can ask with just 5,000 plus 47. Okay, let's add them now. 5,000 plus 47 equals what? So what we are going to use our option, what we are doing, first of all, adding units. Let's add units. What we have, 7 and 0. We are writing 7. For tens, what we have, 4 and 0. We are writing 4. And then for hundreds, this is just finish this side. And then we have 0 only. And for thousands, we have 5. 5,047. If you want, you can use our second option for this calculation. let's use our second option. How can we calculate? First of all, bigger number we are writing, we have 5,000, and second number starting with units, we have 7 and then 4, and we are adding, so 0 plus 7 is 7, 0 plus 4 is 4, and 0, 5. Done. As you see, easy questions we have, people. When we are adding questions, you can say, wow, it is very easy. So you will see other questions, people. So you start with easy questions because we are just explaining with details, people. Otherwise, you are going to get lost when you go to other questions. So, okay, let's continue. Today questions, all of them easy, but other questions, other video, you will see getting difficult. But if you understand, you know, this topic, so next topics also will be easy for you. All right, let's continue. Let's see what else we have. Question 2 now. So similar question, what they said. Okay. Write each of the numbers below as a sum of units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, like the number were given, 2.1, 2.4. Okay, from 2.1 to 2.4, we are going to answer questions starting with 1,000, 10,000, same steps we are using. Let's see what numbers we have. But we have note here now. When a number is written as a sum of units, tens, 100,000, it is called the expanded notation. Expanded notation. So now you are getting number and you are just writing expanded notation. In question 1, what was it? It was giving you expanded notation. They ask you single number, but now you have single number and you are writing expanded notation. All right, so opposite one. So we are just separating them. Okay, when you read this question, how you are gonna read, people? 5,700, right? And then 6, so 6 units. So we can write 5,000, what you read, just writing, okay, 5,000 plus 700 plus, as you see, for tens, nothing, and then we have 6. It is our expanded notation. If you want, you can write with long way also. You can say 5,000. You can just write 5,000 plus 700. 700 you can write, and plus 6 units. Okay, expanded notation, you can write like this is fine. If you want, you can write with long format, also fine. As you see, people, now you have single number and then they're asking you expanded notation. What you read, you're writing, see, 5,706. See, just writing. If you have 50 or 40 something, you're going to write tens also. But now there's no tens. As you see, there's no tens for this question. Okay, so we have done now. Let's continue with next question. Now let's see what we have. I hope your answer is correct for this question also. Let's see. 459,301. So let me give you easy way, people. For this kind of questions, they're asking you what? 100,000 and then 10,000. Just write this number 4, and rest of them, all numbers with 0. How many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you are writing 5 zeros. That's it. Easy, right? So you are just writing your number first, and then just writing after that number what you have, all numbers with 0. Done. As you see, 400,000. I hope you are getting it. Next one, now this number 4 is gone. Leave it. What we have? 5. Writing 5, and after 5, how many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are writing 4 zeros. And then this is 50,000. Next one. So you have 9. And then plus after 9, what you have? How many numbers you have? 1, 2, 3. So you are writing 3 zeros. It is 9,000. So you don't have to memorize what was it. Was 10 or 1,000, 100,000. So you don't have to worry about that. Just use this number and then put all zeros there and then done. Plus next one is 3. After 3, what we have? How many numbers we have? 1, 2. So you are writing 2 zeros. Plus, if any number is 0, just leave it. All right, you don't have to make, so you, because if you write 0, 0, 0, it's still 0. So you don't have to use that. Leave it, it's gone. So for 1, you are writing 1. After 1, how many numbers we have? Nothing. So you are not writing 10 or something. Done. Okay, it is our expanded notation. Question 2.2. 400,000, 50,000, 9,300 plus 1. I hope everything is fine. So far, easy way. I hope you are getting it. Let's continue. Next question now. Let's see question 2.3. What we have? 57,420. What we said, people, just use easy way. Write first number, what you have, 5. And then after 5, how many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We are writing 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 50,000. Plus, and next number is 7. After 7, after 7, how many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3 numbers. We are writing 7,000. Plus, the next number is 4. After 4, we are writing, as you see, we have 2 numbers only, 2 zeros we are writing, it is 400. And let's continue. Next one is 2. After 2, how many numbers we have? Even 0, even something else, but still we have 1 number, so it is 0, we are writing 0. And for units, we have 0, so we said for 0, just leave it. Okay, it is our expanded notation for 57,420. 50,000, 7,420, making 57,420. I hope everything is fine. Let's continue. Next question is coming now. 2.4. So now what we have? 785,094. So same option we are using, people. Easy way, let's use what we said. We are using our first number 7, and after 7, just counting how many numbers we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are writing 5 zeros. 700,000 plus. So we have 8. 8 after 8, writing 8 first, of course. After 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. We are writing 4 numbers, 4 zeros, 80,000 plus. Next number is 5. After 5, we have 3 numbers, so you are writing 5,000. Done. And then plus 4 0 is what we said, just leave it. You don't have to write. So next one is 9. So 9, after 9, how many numbers we have? Only 1. So because it is tens, so 9 tens, you are writing 1 0 only. And then next one, number 4. After 4, as you see, there is no number, so you have done. It is our expanded notation for this number. 7 100s. So 700,000, you can say 700,000. It is here. And then 8 10,000, 8 10,000, and then 5,000. Yeah, 5,000, and then 9 tens. 9 tens we have, and 4 units. Okay, we have done question 2. Let's continue with next question. Let's see what else we have. Now they said from smallest to biggest. From smallest to biggest, we are just writing down all numbers. So for question 2, these are numbers. How can we say smallest number? How can we write? It is easy one. Just count units, digits, people. As you see, units 400, just units, and then we have tens, and then we have hundreds, and we have thousands, 549, and then we have 10,000s. We have 10,000s for this one. So just check, okay, till this point we have thousands, thousands, thousands is here. And then what is next? 800,000s. As you see, people, it is biggest one because 700,000, 785,000. So 700,000 we have, and this one 400,000. We have 5,000 here. Just count numbers, people. How many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. This one 6. This one 5. This one 6. So because this one is going to 100,000s, even this one is going to 100,000. This one is going to only 10,000s. This one is going to only thousands, 1,000s. So it is our smallest number, 5,706. And then next one, first one is gone. And next one, as you see, we have 400,000, and this one 700,000. So 100,000 going to 100,000, but we have only 10,000 here. And then you can just count numbers and digits, people. How many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one only 5. So you can write, this is next one, 57, 420. And next one, 459,000. It is 785. Of course, this one is smaller. So this is smaller than other one, 459, 301. Last one we are writing down. So it's easy for you. Just I'm trying to explain also with details, but you know already what's going on. Okay, we have done. Let's continue with next question. Let's see what else we have. Now they are asking you people expanded notation, more examples. Just you can correct your answers. Let's answer quickly because from now similar questions, people. You know already our steps. So what's going on? You know already. From now, if you want, you can stop video. You can just try, and then you can come back if you want, because you know already how you are gonna answer, people. If so far, I hope everything is going well. So writing number first, and then check 1, 2, 3. After 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, 5 numbers, but we are writing 5 zeros now. And plus, we have 8. After 8, we have 4 numbers, 8 and 4 zeros we are writing. After that, we have 3 and 3 zeros. Plus, we have 0. You don't have to write. We have 2, and after 2 we have 1 number, 20. Done. It is our answer for question 4.1. So we are just writing number first and writing all zeros and getting expanded notation. Let's continue. We can carry on with next question. So what we have now, 500,000 and 508,000, if you want to read all, but just you can read with expanded notation. Okay, let's continue. Same steps we are using, people. First of all, we are choosing our number first. After that number, well, how many numbers we are just checking? We have 5 numbers, 5 zeros you are writing, plus we have 0, just leave it. And then 8, after 8 we have 3 zeros, we have 8,000 now, plus 3, and then after 3 we have 2 zeros, 2 numbers, 2 zeros we are writing. And then for 0, just leave it, tens, nothing. For units we have 2, after 2 there's no number, or you can say 2 times 1, and done. This is our expanded notation for this number. Let's continue. So next question, similar question, people. One more time, we are trying, we are answering our questions. First of all, we are writing our first number, biggest number just here, just 700,000. So we are writing 7, and after 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're writing all zeros, 5 zeros. Plus we have 5, and then after 5, 4 zeros. We are writing 5 and then 4 zeros, plus It is 0, leave it. It is 0, leave it. It is 3. So you are writing 3. After 3, we have 1, 0, plus after this number is 2, and after 2, we have only, sorry, we have, there's no numbers, and then you can write 2, units 2. That's it. Okay, so we can carry on with next question. As you see, people, from now, just repeat questions for just get more examples. So I don't want to go to new topic, because just you must get this expanded notation and then adding numbers. And then next video, we are going to carry on with a new topic. So every lesson for your final exam, different questions we are going to try to answer with you. Just let's make sure you are getting all on. Okay, question 4.4. Now, same steps we are using, people. Writing first number, and after this number we have 5 zeros. We are writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus, and then 0, leave it, 0, leave it, and then 5, and after 5 we have 2 zeros, plus next number is 3. After 3 we have only one number. We are writing 1, 0, and then next number is 2. After 2 there is no number, and then we have done. Okay, so let's continue with next question. Now we are going to another question, people. They said from biggest to smallest. Now from biggest to smallest we are trying to write this number. I'm sure you have done already. Just correct your answers, people. Let's see what we have. And now it looks difficult because all of them six numbers. So 6, 6, 6, all of them. So we are gonna just check last number. So first number, sorry, last, if you start from unit, it's the last, of course. So we are just checking first numbers from biggest, right? So as you see, start with 5. So leave it, not these two biggest. And then what we have, 8. So 800,000, 750,000. So it means this is biggest one. Let's write 800,532. It is biggest one, gone. And then what is next? This is next because 7, because of 7, 75003. Okay, from now, as you see, people, first number 5. So if you have something like this, but all 6, right? 6 numbers we have, 100,000, 100,000s we have. So 5, all of them, but you are just checking next number, 8 and 0. So it means this is bigger one. So this is gone already, let's draw. And then this is next one, 583,000. 583,000, other ones 508. As you see, people, differences you can see. And smallest one is here, 508,302. Okay, from biggest to smallest, we wrote our numbers. As you see, people, what steps we are using, what method we are using, just checking numbers first. How many numbers we have from units, 10,000, and then units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. If all of them 100,000, you're checking first number. Biggest one is first one. You are just using that 8, 7. If other one is 6, so it was going to be easy. But now you have similar ones, same 5. If you have just same 5, you're going to next one. So 10,000 now. You see 8 and 0, just choosing bigger one. That's it. So we wrote from biggest to smallest for question 4. Let's continue with next question. Let's see what they are asking. Single number. Just going back, you remember question 1, what they asked, just write single number. So now let's see from expanded notation to single number. One more time, practice questions coming to you, people. Let's see how we are going to answer these questions. Please remember our steps, what we said, people, just using our steps. First of all, going to units, what we have, 4, 0, 0. It is long one, but same steps we are using, people. All units, what we have, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. So you are writing 4, first, because adding all, getting 4. And then for tens, what we have? 3, 2. Yes, not 0 anymore. We have two numbers here we should add. 3 and 2 and 0, 0, 0, 0. Others 0. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Let's continue. Hundreds now. So this is gone. This one is gone. For hundreds, we have 1, 0, 0, 0. So we can write 1. And the next one, thousands. So as you see, this number is gone. So this is gone. This is gone. And then next one, for thousands, we have 7, we have 0, we have 0. So you can write 7 for thousands. And then for 10,000s, what we have? We have 2 and 4 and 0. As you see, people, we start from units, tens, hundreds, thousands, step by step we are going, and then we are trying to finish all. And let's continue. For 10,000, we have 2 and 4 and 0. 2 plus 4 making 6. 2 plus 4 plus 0 making 6. And then, as you see, done, 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 all done. And then 100,000, we have only 6. Another 6 is coming here. This 6 coming from 4 plus 2. This is other 6. Answer is 667,154. This is our answer. If you want, you can use long method, people. We are writing biggest number, 600,000. And the next number, but start from units. Please remember that. How many zeros we have? How many zeros we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and 4. And then what's next? Start from units, 3 zeros and 27. And what's next? Hundreds, 0, 0 and 1, 20. And what's next? 34. We are just adding them all. Okay, let's use this side. So adding all 0 and 4, we have 4. And then all 0 and 2 plus 3 is 5. And all 0 and 1. We have all 0 and 7. All 0 and 4 plus, only 1 0, sorry. 1 0 and 4 plus 2 is 6. And 6, because 6 left, just coming down. This is our answer. As you see, same answer you are getting with two options. Which one is easy for you? You can use, just use easy option for you. All right, we have done. So one more time, from expanded notation to single number. Next question, let's see what they are asking. Question 6.2 now. Same options, same methods we are using. We are answering with two options always, because we don't know which option best for you, which one is easy for you. Maybe you can just share with me which one is easy for you. So first of all, units for this question, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we are writing 5 first. And then tens, we have 2, 7, 0, 0, and 0. 2 plus 7 is 9. Next one, hundreds, we have 9, 0, 0, 0. We are writing another 9. And next one, this number is gone, gone, gone. Only 4,000, we have 7 and 0 and 0. We can write 7. And then for 10,000s, we have 3. Others gone. Just make sure everything is fine. Yes, we have 3 and 2. We are adding and getting 5. Next one, only 5 left for 100,000s, writing 5. This is our answer, people. 557,995. We can use long methods. Another option, 520,000. We are writing biggest number, and then next number start from units. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and 3, and then 3 zeros and 7, 3 zeros and 7, 1 0 and 97. Next one, 0, 2, and we have 5. So you are adding these numbers, and then you are gonna get same answer, people. Units first, and then 7 plus 2 is 9, and then 0 getting 9, 7, 5, 5. You are getting same answer, people. Question 6.2. Okay, so next question, 6.3. Same options, same methods we are using. And then let's see what we are gonna get. First of all, we have units 0, 8, 0, 0, 0. You can write 8 first. And then for tens, we have 4, 7, 0, 0, 0, and 0. 4 plus 7. All right. Now something is different, people. So 7 plus 4 is 11, right? In 11, what we have, people? 11. You cannot write 11 here. If you just write 11 here, it's going to be wrong. So what are we going to do now? We are going to use that number just for 11. We are just using, because you are adding, people, 40 and 70 because tens, because 4 tens, but if you just add 4 plus 7, you are getting 11. But now, as you see, 4 tens plus 7 tens, you are getting 110, because it is all tens. Because of that, we can add 0. So 110, you have 110. So you are writing 1 here. And then you have 100. 1 times 100. So 100 is going to other side, people. So let's continue now. For hundreds, we have 2, 5, 0, 0, and 0. 5 plus 2 is 7. But you have 100 from 4 and 7. So you are just writing 8. Now, I hope it is clear. So we are going to just explain more this one, because you know already from grades, other grades, I think you know already. So, okay, 4 plus 7 is 11. We are writing just 1, and then, so other one is going to next one. 5 plus 2 is 7, and making 8. Okay, just we are adding with other explanation, other long method also will explain one more time. Okay, so let's continue with next one. For thousands now, we have 8 and 0 and 0. Okay, for thousands, we have 8. And then for 10,000s, we have 5 and 0. You can write 5. It's another easy one. And then for 100,000, we have 7. This is our answer, people. Only this explanation. We must just explain more. Okay, let's write our biggest number, 700,000. And then 250, just next number, we must start from units. How many zeros? We have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 25. Next one, 8,000. So 3 zeros and 8. And then 2 zeros and 5, 2 0 and 5, and then 1 0 and 27, 1 0 and 27, and then we have 48. Okay, so let's just add. Let's use this option now. You are adding 0 0 0 0 0 8. It's easy one. Just write 8. It's okay. And then 0 0 0 7 plus 4. Okay. 7 plus 4 is 11. It is 2 digits, people. 11, you cannot write 11 here because we have only one space for tens. So you can write just 1. This is just using this one here. This one is writing 1 here. Other one is going to next step from tens to hundreds. It's coming here. So you have 1 this side. All right. You have 1. 1 plus 5 plus 2. Making 8, because you cannot write 11 here, people. You have only one, the first one. Okay, you can say units, or if you say it is 7 plus 40, you can 110, just like this one. Tens writing here, hundreds going other side, or you can use just like this, 11. So 1 is using here, and then other one is going to other side and adding 2 hundreds, because you have 110, because you are adding 7 plus 40. All right, or easy way, 7 plus 4 is 11. 11, you cannot use 11 here. You have to use only one, only first one, and then next one is going to other side, adding here. 5 plus 2 is 7, and then adding 1, 8. Next one, 0 0 0 8. It is done. Next one, 0 plus 5, and then 7 plus 2 is 9. All right, so 7 plus 2 is 9. Oh, we didn't add 2 here. Okay, we did mistake. Let's fix it. So 958,818. Okay, so this is our answer, people. For this kind of questions, we must just use our steps. So only this points it looks difficult, but easy, people. Just don't worry about it. When you add, if you have two numbers, two digits coming, so you cannot just two of them here because you have only one number space. So you can use first one here, second one is going to the other side and adding to others. That's it. If you have bigger number here, for example, you have 4. For example, 5 plus 4 is 9, and then you are getting one more here is 10. So what you are going to do, you are going to write 0 here, and the other number 1 is going to the other side. If you are getting 20, it's also possible because 9 plus 9 may be 18, and then you are getting to other side 20. So 2 is going to the other side. Okay, so this kind of questions, just use our steps. And then if you are getting bigger number, just use first one here, second one is going to other side and adding to next one. Okay, we fixed this one, right? All right. Okay, let's continue with next question. Let's see another questions we have. Yes. Now, write each sum, each single number one more time. As you see now, just 500,000. So let's write our numbers first. 500,000. Do you remember we said 5 times 100,000 plus 38 10,000. 38 times 10,000 plus 5 times hundreds. We are writing hundreds plus 39 tens times by 10 and 4 units, 4 times 1. I'm just writing plus here. Okay, so 5 times 100, what are we getting? 500,000 plus 38 times 10. So 38 times 10,000. So let's use easy way, people. You are writing 38 and adding all zeros. Okay, so how many zeros we have? 4. That's it. Okay, when you multiply like this, it's easy way. Writing number first and writing all zeros next. So 5 and 2 zeros now. 5 and 2 zeros plus 39 times 10. Yes, 39 and 1 0 plus 4 units, writing 4. That's it. As you see, with 4 times 1, you know already it's 4. Next one, we are using our steps. First of all, what we are using, people, we are just using units first. Let's use our only one option. 4 0 0 0 0. Our unit number is 4. Units number 4. And then 4 tens. We have 9 0 0 and 0. You're writing 9. Next one, 400s. We have 3 5 0 0. 3 plus 5 is making 8. And the next one, 4,000, this number is gone, gone, gone. 4,000, we have 0 and 0. You are writing 0. And next one, for 10,000, we have 8 and 0. We are writing 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. And next one, for 100,000, we have 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 making 8. This is our answer. Done. All right. So first of all, we are writing from expanded notation with zeros. We are writing after that, starting with units, adding units first, and then tens, and then hundreds and thousands, and so on. Okay, let's continue with next question if we have. Otherwise, we have done. Oh, okay. Question 7 we have. Similar question, people. I think you are okay with these questions. I hope everything is fine, but with more examples, we are going to learn, people. So please remember, just get our questions for next video also. Get our questions first, try first, and then check answers. If your answer is okay, everything is fine. Okay, now let's continue with our question. We have 4 units, we have 2, and the rest of them 0. So let's answer quickly because you know already. And the next one 7, and rest of them 0, as you see, for tens. And then for hundreds, what we have 3, 0, 0, 0. We are writing 3. And then for thousands, we have 5, 0, and 0. You're writing 5. And for 10,000, we have 6 and 0. You're writing 6. And for 100,000, we have 5 only. This is our answer for question 7.1. We answered already, because of that quickly we are answering all. Let's continue with next question. Similar question, people. I hope it is easy for you from now. All units we are just using first. As you see, all units, all of them just adding 6 plus 0, 0, 0, you are getting 6. And then next one, for tens, we have 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, we are writing 2. And then for hundreds, we have 4, and just adding them all. And next one, people, what we have, 5, 4,000, 500, we are writing 5. And then for hundreds, okay, 4,000 we have done. And then for 10,000, what we have 3 and 0 only. For 100,000, we have 7. And then we have done this question also. Let's continue with next question. Let's see. Next question, what we have now for units, as you see, people, we have 2. We are writing 2 first for units, and then as you see, all of them 0. We are just writing, it is easy now, all of them 0, but next time maybe different numbers, people. Because of that, we must just make sure you are adding all units first, and then you are adding all tens. We have 9 and all of them 0. You're writing 9. For hundreds, we have 1, 0, 0, 0, writing 1. For thousands, we have 2, 0, 0, you're writing 2. For 10,000, we have 5 only, writing 5. 100,000, we have 7 only. And this is our answer, people. You can just get it correct answer. Okay, next question. One more time, they're asking you this question, people. You are adding all units first. As you see, people, we are answering too many questions because this is solution, people. This is, you know, how you are going to get full mark with examples, with practice, people. Just practice, 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 and then you are going to be okay with this kind of question. When you see this question, oh, it is easy, just do it. Otherwise, people just answer once, twice, so it will not be enough. Because when you go to final answer, it will not be enough. All right, because of that, we are answering too many questions with you. So for units, 6, and then for tens, we have 6, and then there's no another numbers, also 6, and then for hundreds, we have 7, and all of them 0, and for thousands, we have 5, 0, 0. We are writing 5 only. For 10,000, we have 7 and 0. For 100,000, we have 5. So this is our answer, people, for question 7.4. Okay, next question, similar question, one more time, people. Just let's answer together one more time. This question, as you see, units 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, we have 5. And then for tens, we have 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. You can write 2. For hundreds, we have 2 and 2. Now you have 4, and then 0, 0, 0. You are writing 4. For thousands, we have 5, 0, 0. You are writing 5. For 10,000s, we have 1, 2, and what we have 0. 1 plus 2 is 3 now. And then for 100,000, we have 1 and 8. So we are adding and getting 900,000. So 935,425 answer we have done. Let's continue with next question. Oh, we have done. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. So we are going to carry on with next video. Have a nice day. See you next lesson.